Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com.
Linda Ezemedolu. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about which country has the best wavy hair extensions. If you want to know which country I believe has the best wavy hair extensions, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. This hair I have right here is Vietnamese wavy hair. You can see how the curls on this wavy hair looks. It's bouncy, it looks luscious, it's nice. So one thing I'd like to let you guys know is most times when you buy wavy hair extensions from China and you buy Vietnamese and you buy wavy extensions from Vietnam, you notice that the Chinese wavy extensions, after you brush the Chinese wavy extension for you probably went in for, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks, the curls will drop faster. And even when you coil it, you notice that the Vietnamese the Chinese wavy hair might not really hold curl very well. So this is where the Vietnamese wavy hair extension now comes in. You will notice that when you curl the Vietnamese wavy hair, the Vietnamese wavy hair is able to take in more curls and hold the curls longer than the Chinese hair is able to. So invariably, and that's because of the texture of the Vietnamese hair. The Vietnamese hair is slightly more coarse than the Chinese hair. The strands of the Vietnamese hair is thicker while the strands of the Chinese hair is softer. For that reason, the Vietnamese hair is able to hold more curls, able to have longer lasting curls. And also, depending on how you call that Vietnamese hair extension or the Chinese hair extension, you'll be able to see that, okay, on the long run, the Vietnamese wavy hair is able to hold longer curls because of how the texture of the hair is. So if you're just getting into the hair business and you're trying to decide, oh, which hair extension, from which country should you source your wavy hair extension from all of what I've described for you in this video, I just like to let you know that the best wavy hair types you can get is actually from Vietnam. And I'm not saying that the wavy curls you get on the wavy hair extension is permanent. No, after you wear the wavy hair for a while, or even in the process of trying to get your extension sewed in or wig, you notice that when you open the curls, the way it was wrapped is not always how it is when you unwrap it. So in most cases, you might need to go back and reset the curls. But the thing is, the curl is going to last you for a longer period of time, unlike the curls with the Chinese hair. So if you have to choose between these two, choose the Vietnamese wavy hair extension because the curls are going to last longer because of the texture of the Vietnamese wavy hair. So guys, that's my 2 cents on this video. If you disagree with me, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is a dialogue, not a monologue. So if you have an alternative opinion, if you've tried another hair type and you feel like, okay, this other hair type, probably Indian hair or Cambodian hair, curls last longer, let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share with your friends are also going to get value out of it. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.